Ashutosh. You know what? The only thing, the first time I knew about him was that he is Chaudhary Sir's son. Nothing more than that. Afterwards, then he was in my batch. Still no communication, just hi and bye. And let me very frankly tell you, I think you may feel bad, but you know the way you used to help everyone, I thought as if you're trying to please everyone. But then, as in how the time elapsed, how we became friends, I came to know that this is inherent in you. You're not doing some for someone else. It is your nature to help everyone. You do it on your own, not for anyone other's sake. And then came the biggest time when we actually started communicating, and that was the time our very nice Beju Pash, as I know you, the Devdas score. It was really fun, and I must say you're a brilliant actor. I mean, I've not seen anyone emote so nicely and so naturally. Anyone else, I've not at all seen. And then started our actual friendship. Then, we used to do time pass, we used to play games, this, that, everything. I started knowing you more well, and I really think that you are a very nice and genuine person, although you do all those musties and all, which I think we should not do. And then I think one thing which I'll never ever forget, and not only me, seriously I'm telling you, Ashutosh, my family, my mom, the way you supported me during my bad time, when you used to come to the hospital so long and you used to still sit there, you used to help in my assignments, everything, I'll never ever forget this. And this is something which, like a brother you have done to me, and I must say, मैं सिर्फ ऐसे भाई बोलती थी सिर्फ, but you are actually my brother and you have proved that to me. One thing I always wish that whatever you have, all your wishes that you have in your life, they do come true. But do not, just waste time. I know you're very talented. Just be focused, be determination. Because I've seen once you determine, you will achieve it by hook or crook. So just do that for your sake. Happy birthday.
Start.
Hi. Many happy returns of the day, आशुतोष. So, आज वो दिन आ गया है जब मैं वो सारी बातें, सारे किस्से और वो सारी यादें जो मैंने अपने दिल में तेरे लिए 2 साल से संजो कर रखी हैं, आज मैं उसे दुनिया के सामने लाऊंगा. सबसे पहले तो ये तेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा दिन है, क्योंकि आज तू पूरे 21 साल का हो गया है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग डे इन योर लाइफ, और मैं भगवान से यही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि तुझे वो सब पॉजिटिव लक, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एंड वे टू सक्सेस एंड की टू सक्सेस इन्फोर्स करे तेरे ऊपर. आई होप ही गिव्स यू ऑल द स्ट्रेंथ इन लाइफ दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू मार्च द रेस ऑफ सक्सेस. सो आशुतोष, how do you define him? Quiet, innocent, prankster, a brilliant actor, a helping hand. Well, मेरे लिए इसका आंसर बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है तेरे में ये सब क्वालिटीज़ हैं, पर ये क्वालिटीज़ धीरे धीरे बाहर आती हैं. They keep on coming towards the people as and when your relationship with them advances. And when a person discovers all these qualities in you, he just is left with one thing, and that is you have become one of his best friend. I mean, I have always felt so that due to your kindness, due to your simple nature, and due to your positive attitude, you can just become anyone's best friend, which is absolutely true in my case too. In one word, I will describe you as salt. Salt because without salt, life is tasteless. And when life is tasteless, believe me, you can't distinguish anything and you're left with nothing. But for me, you're oxygen. oxygen, because without oxygen, I can't survive. Yes, I know that many people know you as a very caring, a very carefree, a very smart, a very cute, a very jolly Ashutosh. But apart from all this, I know you as the best human being that I have ever come across till date. तू क्या था मेरे लिए सेकेंड सेम में? You were nothing to me in the second semester when I met you. I did not even know your surname. I did not even know your name. And what you did to me at that time is something which I will never forget. You gave me a new life. How can you imagine a stranger to you calling you up every time in the night in your darkest stage? I regard those days as my darkest stage in my life. He used to call me every day and ask me the same questions. How are you? How is your mom? What medication is she taking? I hope you're looking after yourself. Do you need me? मैं आऊँ क्या? I mean, that is so, I mean, I just can't express it in words right now. I'm very serious. I mean, it's very difficult for me to narrate all that, because what you've given me is sheer pleasure and a sheer support system. The true word for you is support system. It's really difficult to narrate what I have felt during that time, but I hope that those things are unsaid and you understand them more than anyone else. What next? I have never seen Ashutosh getting angry on anyone. मैंने उसे आज तक अपने करीबी दोस्तों पर गुस्सा होते हुए कभी नहीं देखा. I know you tolerate me like anything. I know that I am completely contrasting to you. Yes, I know even Jai Kumar tolerates me like anything. He's recording it right now, and he is pointing his hand towards him also. Yes, I know everyone tolerates me, but more than anyone, I know you tolerate me the most, because you spend most of your time in college with me. And I can say that because you are completely contrasting, and that is why our wavelengths match, because you keep quiet and I keep talking and I keep scolding. But nevertheless, that shows the genuineness, and that shows your humble nature towards people, not only me but towards the world, because that is just inherited in you. What next? I can't imagine the amount of immense love that this guy has for his family, and especially for his brother. I would say his brother because I have felt it. अगर आप लोगों को पता होगा, हम लोग जब आईवी पे गए थे, उधर मैसूर में फैशन शो था, और उसके बाद हम लोग सब लोग बहुत नाचे थे, और रात को रूम्स में हम लोग गेम्स खेल रहे थे. आशुतोष वॉज द ओनली गाय टू वॉक आउट ऑफ द रूम, एंड he never came back into that room because he was so curious to talk to his brother on phone. It was his SSC result. I still remember. He was so curious to talk to him. He went out of the room and he came back only in our room. I could feel that absence of brotherly love that he felt during those days of Ivy, because he used to talk to me about his brother for hours and hours at Ivy, and even used to, take that brotherly love from me by putting his head in my lap. And I'm so proud of that fact, because even I enjoyed that brotherly love taking it from him. Next, our night outs. Man, the amount of night outs that we have spent together is more than the number of days that we have spent in college, to be very frank. Night out किसके साथ नहीं मारा है? आशुतोष, जय कुमार, नीरव, हर्ष. I mean, I just can't imagine the amount of, the joy. कितना टाइम पास किया है. वर्ल्ड कप देखने के लिए एक जन के घर पे इकट्ठा होके वर्ल्ड कप तो देखते ही नहीं थे, बस खाली कीड़ा करते थे. अनदर थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू से इज, ये कुणाल को बोलने का ज़िंदगी में कभी हक नहीं है, एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू किल मी आफ्टर दिस. बट आशुतोष, यू कुक रियली गुड. You give us that royal treatment in terms of food when we come to your place, and when you come to my place, because on both the occasions it is you who is cooking. I still remember when I come to your place, तू अराउंड 2 बजे रात को आलू उबालता है, 2:30 बजे छिलके छीलता है, 3 बजे मैगी बनाता है और 3:30-4 बजे हम लोग खा के 5 बजे मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते हैं और मॉर्निंग वॉक से आके 6 बजे अल्टीमेटली सो जाते हैं. अवर नाइट आउट एंड्स देयर एंड अल्टीमेटली वी गेट अप एट 11 o'clock. अल्टीमेटली वी गेट अप एट 11 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग. वो भी कैसे? हर्ष का नहीं तो अदिति का नहीं तो कनिका का कॉल आता है तभी हम लोग उठते हैं. That is the amount of joy and the time pass that we have done together. Yes, I have always seen a new and improved and refined Ashutosh in whatever event you have participated in and whatever occasions we have spent together. Let it be the spoof or the IV or the director's cut. You have matured as a human being, you have matured as an actor and you have matured as a new soul. The amount of maturity level that you have is impeccable and that is evident from the fact that what you did to me during the second semester. You know, during the second semester, to be very frank, my mind was totally ruined. I mean, my mind was falling into a death valley, but I always knew that there is a person named Ashutosh standing at the end of the valley to catch me. That is what you have done to me. You've given me a new brother. I have found a true brother in you. What else? तेरे लिए बोलना चाहूँ तो हज़ारों घंटे बोल सकता हूँ मैं, बट आई थिंक ये वीडियो बहुत छोटी चीज़ है तेरे लिए बोलने को, बट इवन देन येस आई थिंक दैट यू आर अ रियली हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन एंड यू रियलाइज दैट फैक्ट ओनली व्हेन यू रियलाइज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. I have seen you getting distracted from studies due to many reasons.
Jasmine.
Let it be friends, let it be any event or let it be any occasion. I think you should never mix up your academic and your personal life. You should keep them apart, and I know you can do that very well because you are a calm and composed person by mind and by your heart. So it should be very easy for you. It's just that you need to concentrate more on your studies. Because I think you deserve much and much more than what you have got till now. You have the potential to get whatever you desire in life. It's just that you need to execute at the right time, believe me. Yes, in the future, I know तू यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका की सबसे बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी में होगा, बिकॉज आई नो दैट यू गोइंग टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स इट एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज फॉर एनीथिंग लेस देन 1600. Mind you, if you get a mark less than that, you'll get hit by me, and I mean it. This is because I know, I can feel that potential in you. You just need to do well, and I know GRE में तू कर रहा भी है, तूने अभी से ही बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई चालू भी कर दी है, बस इसे खाली छोड़ना मत और हमेशा अगस्त तक पढ़ते रहना, खूब मन लगा के पढ़ना और जो मैंने तुझे बोला है वो लेकर आना. And I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Yes, as far as TPP goes, हम लोग BE से पहले एक TPP तो ज़रूर उखाड़ेंगे पक्का. आज तक जितनी मेहनत की है उसका एक फल तो हम लोग ज़रूर लेके रहेंगे, कुछ भी हो जाए. नेक्स्ट I'd like to say what I should say. मुझे लगता है मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ कवर कर दिया है ये वीडियो में इन द लास्ट 8 or 9 minutes. स्टिल पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि कुछ छूट रहा है, कुछ मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक this is not the end. Okay, yeah, one more thing. I just came to remember. I just want to give you one advice because this is very important for you and your career. Please don't force yourself to do anything. Just take things as they come, very calmly and very coolly, as you always have been doing so. Just don't force yourself. That is very important. और मैं क्या कहूँ, सक्सेस तेरे कदम चूमेगी. I know that, I'm sure, because I know you will work towards your goal. You always work towards your goal and your desires, and you do anything to get that. Let it be to the extent of tolerating a person who comes in the way. I have seen that happening. Yes, there have been many bad times in your life. I know that there have been many good and bad times in your life. But you have always come winning because you're made like that and you're a perfect human being according to me. I just can't imagine the high regards that you have for me and my mom. See Ashutosh, I know तू अपने गम कभी दूसरों के सामने नहीं आने देगा, but let me tell you one thing, you can't hide it from me. I can see those tears on your face because your face speaks and your expressions show how concerned and caring you are. और ये सिर्फ मेरे प्रति नहीं है, I have seen that happening to each and every person who has got affected in the group due to some or the other reason. You have always been there at the right time, at the right place, for the right amount of time, and maybe probably more than that. But you have always just left all your work and ran to that place where you are required, and you have just, you know, I mean, some things are unexpressed. I mean, you just can't express it in words. People feel it for you. I'm sure everyone in the group feels it for you. I feel it for you, and I know people in your family must be feeling it, because it is not this kind of nature is not restricted to us or to our friends. I know it's restricted. It's not restricted to us. It's applicable to your entire life. Let it be any people in your life. Let it be your family members. Let it be your relatives. Let it be your school friends or us. I know you are the same because you are so natural and so genuine, and that is what I like the most about you. Because if a person is not genuine, he is not my friend. At least I know that. And as far as our friendship goes, I'm always there for you. I need not say that because I know you will count me whenever you require me, and I will not thank you for anything. क्योंकि मैं thank you बोलूँगा तो it's just weakening our bond. सो आई कॉन्ट डिफाइन अवर फ्रेंडशिप, बिकॉज अगर मैं डिफाइन कर दूंगा मेरी और तेरी फ्रेंडशिप को तो वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएगा, उस पर एक स्टैम्प लग जाएगा. सो लेट इट गो एक्सपोनेंशियली राइजिंग इन द टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज. आई नो जय कुमार इज लाफिंग, बट आई नो उसके हाथ भी दुख रहे हो, मुझे बोल रहा है मैं पक गया
बहुत रे बहुत.
वो बोल रहा है पक गया हुई, तू बंद कर. But then I mean I found this opportunity, a golden opportunity to speak for you, because ये तेरे पास ना सिर्फ इधर, ना सिर्फ मुलुंड में, बल्कि यूएस में भी तेरे पास ये रहेगा. एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज वॉच दिस, यू कैन ऑलवेज रिमेंबर मी वेन एवर यू आर वॉचिंग दिस. एंड तुझे कभी मेरी कमी महसूस नहीं होगी, एटलीस्ट इवन इफ वी कांट टॉक ऑन फोन फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स. वन थिंग वी हैव डन टुगेदर इज we have spent hours and hours walking on roads, standing at the bus stop, talking about people in our group, talking about people in your life, my life, every damn thing, man. And to be very frank, if you're wondering what is this place, this is actually my colony where we used to take night walks whenever you used to come in the PLs, whenever you used to come to study to my place.
This is a bhaji wala. This is a bhaji wala.
केले वाला.
केले वाला, sorry, केले वाला.
Okay, whenever you used to come to my place, we used to take night walks over here, and yeah, the big structure that you saw, that one behind Jai Kumar is my school, is my primary school. That's Swami Vivekanand, that's not KJ Somaya, any day of the week. And I mean, अच्छा ठीक है, अभी मेरे को लग रहा है अभी लोग बहुत पक रहे हैं, so अभी मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं अभी के लिए बंद कर रहा हूँ. बट आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई विल कम बैक टुमारो अगेन, बिकॉज आई स्टिल थिंक दैट there is something missing. So I will stop here for today, but tomorrow definitely same time but not the same place. I'll be speaking somewhere else, because I will not be, you know, sitting over here tomorrow in the morning. But yes, I'll come back to you tomorrow. By the time, happy birthday and enjoy yourself. Bye. Hi again, day 2. I'm sorry I'm coming back again in the morning, but I think ये वीडियो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसे मुझे मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. तेरे बारे में जो भी बोलना था कल, मैं इतना नहीं सोच पाया था. बट सीरियसली स्पीकिंग, वन थिंग आई लाइक टू से इज़ कि ये वीडियो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मुझे लगता है वेरी फ्यू पीपल डिज़र्व इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज इसमें हमारे एक्चुअल इमोशंस बाहर आते हैं बोलते समय. पेपर पे तो कोई भी कुछ भी लिख सकता है, और इट इज़ एक्चुअली व्हेन यू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वीडियो इट कम्स आउट. और मैं सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ, इसमें ना सिर्फ मैंने मैंने देखा है जिन सब लोग ने इसमें बोला है बहुत ही नेचुरली बोला है. और मैं क्या बोलना चाहूँगा तेरे बारे में, या आई थिंक कुणाल ने जो सब बोला कि द टाइम दैट यू हैव स्पेंड विथ हिम वॉकिंग फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स, आई थिंक द सेम इज़ एप्लीकेबल टू अस. बट द ओनली डिफरेंस इज़ कि उसने चल के किया और मैंने सिर्फ खड़े रह के किया. मैंने खड़े रह के तेरे साथ 2-3 घंटे बस स्टॉप पर बिताए हैं, और
2-3 घंटे
हमें पता है कि हमने क्या बातें की है. बट ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज अबाउट द ग्रुप एंड इट वॉज फन टॉकिंग टू यू. बट आई थिंक वॉट एवर कुणाल सेड इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू, बिकॉज आई थिंक तूने मेरे लिए आज तक जो भी किया है, जब भी मुझे हेल्प किया है, जितनी भी मेरे साथ बातें की हैं, वो मुझे सिर्फ एक भाई दे सकता था. एंड आई ट्रूली फील दैट यू आर माई ब्रदर. सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं, बट मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि तू मुझे एक भाई मिल गया, क्योंकि इवन यू नो कि सम थिंग्स आर अनसेड बिटवीन अस, बट वी ऑलवेज चेरिश देम फ्रॉम इनसाइड. एंड that's all I want to say. I wish you all the best in life, and whatever I said yesterday is just applicable today. So happy birthday.
सफ़र था अनजाना सा, भंवर में जिसके भटकता था मैं. राहें थी अनेक पर चुननी थी सिर्फ एक. ऐसे में दिया किसी अनजान ने साथ. वो था बेगाना पर अब है मेरा सबसे प्यारा दोस्त. नाम है उसका आशुतोष.
Hey Ashutosh, many happy returns of the day. Remember this bench? This bench has been a part of one of our landmark projects, the director's cut. But here I'm not here to speak about the project, but I'm here to speak about the person behind the project. That is you. Now Ashutosh, different people have different interpretations when they think about you. I'm here to speak about my interpretation and basically my friendship, my journey of friendship with you. Now, for first thing, the first word that comes to my mind when I think about you is unpredictable. You are somebody who can say anything and do anything at any point of time and get away with it fantastically. But yeah, if I'm say whatever you do, people can't expect what and when you're going to do it. And even after you've done it, people are still wondering why and how did you do it. But the point is, if you're a friend, as I have the honor of being in this case, if you're a friend, if I'm a friend of yours, then I know that thing is going to be, I'm saying whatever you've done is going to be for my own good. I'm saying the first thing I remember about you, I'm saying when I first saw you in, I guess, first or second sem in our class, I'm saying you were this person who was always sifting between all the people very effortlessly, and there was this impression of yours that you were trying to probably please everybody. But then I'm saying I have had this feeling that people who try to please everybody are just trying to put up a sort of a fake image. But then when I got to know you better, I realized that you're not one of those people who just try to please everybody. You are one of those rare and can be called gem of you're one of those gem of a person who can actually pull it off and actually manage to make everybody happy around you and manage everybody. I know people who have a hard time managing just being in just one group or being with around 2-3 friends. And over the years, I have seen you manage our group. I have seen you very effortlessly charm the seniors, the juniors, your school friends. You're one of those people who have managed to be everywhere with all your friends effortlessly. Now let's talk about our friendship. I think so the first time we met, it was about first sem, but then I didn't know you much. I think our friendship actually blossomed somewhere around my birthday in March. Yeah, in March. That's when, that was the period after which I actually got to know you, and that was the period after which we actually became very good friends. Since that time, it has been a roller coaster journey for both of us. We have shared a lot of things together. May it be our education, may it be our studies, may it be our personal thoughts, may it be a career. I still remember, the times when I used to come to your place to study, or I used to come to my place to study. And after that, whenever you came to drop me to the station, or I came to probably drop you to the rickshaw stand, I know the things we have discussed there. We've discussed almost everything. We've discussed what are we going to do in our future. I'm saying what are we going to do after completing engineering? How are we going to manage our studies? We've also discussed like what is happening within our group. I still remember vividly. You always taught me that I have missed the most happening events of our group. But there has to be one fact also, that if anybody who's given me a vivid description with the minutest detail of each event, then it has to be you. You told me that how everything has happened with the most briefest of detail कि ये ऐसे हुआ था, इसने ऐसे बोला था, इसने ये बोला था. And the last we had over there and we have analyzed कि इसने ऐसे क्यों बोला रहेगा या ये ऐसे क्यों भड़का रहेगा. I think I have enjoyed it all. And also फिर हम लोग ये सोचा था कि कैसे हम लोग एक दिन ये पेपर लिखेंगे या ये रोबोट बनाएंगे या ये करेंगे. I think so the best thing I've enjoyed about being with you is our walks. आई थिंक अगर कुछ बने तो अब तक आई थिंक तो गिनेस रिकॉर्ड बन सकता है. वी मस्ट हैव वॉक किलोमीटर्स एंड किलोमीटर्स टुगेदर व्हाइल टॉकिंग एंड वी डिडंट इवन हैव अ काउंट ऑफ टाइम. आई जस्ट रिमेंबर अराउंड लास्ट आई थिंक सो प्रीवियस सेम ओनली, जब हम लोग ऐसे ही कॉलेज के बाद बाहर निकले थे दोपहर को, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हम लोग को जेरोक्स के लिए देना था एंड वी एक्चुअली वेंट ऑन टू वॉक टिल कुर्ला टर्मिनस. वहाँ पे कुर्ला टर्मिनस पे 2-4 राउंड मारे, फिर जेरोक्स लिया, वापस कॉलेज में 4-5 राउंड मारे. एंड इट्स लाइक यू नो there are very few people whom I actually enjoy speaking to on the phone. फ़ोन पे मैं नॉर्मली किसी से 15-20 मिनट बात करता हूँ. आई एम से यू हैव टू बी वन ऑफ द ओनली पीपल जिसके साथ मैं आधे घंटे, 1 घंटे, 4 घंटे कभी भी कुछ भी बात कर सकता हूँ एंड नॉट गेटिंग टायर्ड. इट्स लाइक हम लोग जब भी एंड वी रियलाइज़ कि अगर 1 घंटा हो गया, 1.5 घंटा हो गया, स्टिल कि हम लोग को जाना है, तो घर पे पहुँचना है, हम लोग मैं वो अपने घर पे जाना है, बट स्टिल वी ऑलवेज फील दैट बहुत कुछ बाकी रह गया बात करने को. यू आर वन पर्सन आई ऑलवेज चेरिश. I think that now you are giving your GRE. Of course, you are going to get above 1500. That is my guarantee. And you are going to get in one of the best universities in US. I wish you get into Stanford. But one thing I'll miss there is हम दोनों चिंदी है, इसलिए एक दूसरे को हम लोग दोनों एक दूसरे को ISD नहीं करने वाले. Let's be frank. तो हम लोग मेल पे टच में रहेंगे. But I'll miss those walks with you where we have actually discussed everything about our lives. And शायद ही कुछ ऐसा होगा तेरे लाइफ के बारे में जो मुझे नहीं पता, या मेरे लाइफ के बारे में जो तुझे नहीं पता. हम लोग ने बहुत चीज़ें साथ में की, बुक्स साथ में लेने गए हैं, गिफ्ट दोस्तों के लिए साथ में लेने गए, बर्थडे गिफ्ट, IT के कितने काम साथ में किए. आई थिंक सो इफ़ वी काउंट द टाइम यू हैव स्पेंड विद डिफरेंट पीपल इन दिस ग्रुप, आई थिंक सो जितना टाइम हम लोग ने साथ में बिताया चलते हुए, आई डोंट थिंक सो यू मस्ट हैव स्पेंड एज मच टाइम विद एनीबडी एल्स. एंड फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आई हैव एंजॉयड एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ दिस. ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ कि तूने मुझे बोला आज चल मंदिर जाते हैं, आज इधर जाते हैं, मुझे कभी भी ऐसे लगा हो कि यू नो कि नहीं आज पक रहा है यार, कल जाते हैं. इट्स ऑलवेज इट हैज़ बीन म्यूचुअल. मैंने पूछा है, तूने हाँ बोला है, तूने पूछा है, मैंने हाँ बोला. इवन व्हेन हम लोग सिद्धि विनायक चल के जाते थे, दोज 4 hours or 3 odd hours which takes us to walk to Siddhi Vinayak, we've had so much of fun together and I'm going to really miss this next year. And I just hope 7-8 साल 9 साल जितना भी हो US में वसूल कर अपना पैसा जितना भी तू खर्च करने वाला है फीस पे, and just come back because who are all of us, I think स्मिता, मी, जो भी कैट दे रहे हैं और इंडिया में रहने वाले, they are going to miss you a lot. Till now whatever I have spoken and I have seen अब तक I think so मेरा हो गया है, मोहित का हो गया थोड़ा बहुत, पूर्वी का हो गया, स्मिता और अदिति का हो गया, मैंने उन लोग का देखा है. They've told it quite confidently और काफ़ी precise है उनका, मतलब they've managed to put all their details in a lot less than time and they are specific about what they feel about you. But I don't know why मैंने एक points I've repeated them or in a way I've stressed the point for too long. But it's just that I didn't want to miss even the minutest detail of the time I've spent with you. And I'm feeling good that I'm being nervous while speaking about you because मुझे पता है that when I'm actually having problems expressing my feelings for someone, it's coming from the heart. And I don't have to prove it to you because तेरे को पता है ये पहले भी हुआ है, पहले भी मैं किसी के बारे में बोलते हुए nervous हुआ हूँ. And you are the person who actually pointed this fact out to me, that it is coming from my heart. So I don't mind, being nervous while talking about you, and I don't mind even if I miss some points or if I'm stuttering in between or if the video is not picture perfect. Another thing as all I'm saying, और एक चीज़ मैं जो अपने बारे में बताना चाहूँगा वो ये है that you are the person, I'm saying in our case it has always been mutual. कभी तूने मुझे advice दिए, कभी मैंने तुझे advice दिए. At the start I have given you advice about many things. But one thing I'll always remember is the advice you've given me about certain things like अपनी पढ़ाई के बारे में या about my personal life, about how I've always, sometimes I've never told you this, but in some cases I'm saying it has always been that, I have always had this image कि मैं किसी से भी points लेता हूँ नहीं, I don't, I get inspired from anybody. It's always been about me, but I want to tell this today that there are many points about you which I actually look up to and which I've actually tried to, enumerate in my life. I'm saying I seriously feel that in your another thing which describes you is no guts, no glory. The guts you show in saying things, the guts you show in doing things for people. I won't mention those things because probably this is not the right time to do it. But I have never had the guts to do so. And I always, sometimes wish कि काश मैं भी इसकी तरह बिना कुछ सोचे, बिना कुछ समझे, एक इंट्यूशन पे सिर्फ कर सकता. अब तक तो तुझे समझ आ गया रहेगा कि मैंने ऑलरेडी 3 टेक्स ले चुके और ये मेरा चौथा वाला है. मेरा वीडियो पूरे 4 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है. बट व्हाट कैन आई डू? एवरी टाइम, I think I've, spoken it all. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आई मिस सो मेनी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. कितनी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं बोलना चाहता था एंड आई डोंट आइदर रिमेंबर देम नाउ और आई डोंट हैव दी कॉन्फिडेंस टू टेल देम नाउ और समथिंग लाइक इट. आई डोंट नो. सो बट अभी द वीडियो हैज़ टू हैव इट्स लेंथ एंड पब्लिक पके नहीं, इसलिए दिस हैज़ टू बी माई फाइनल टेक. सो इस टेक में मैं जितना भी कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ तेरे बारे में, आई थिंक आई विल फिनिश इट. मोहित ने अब तक बोला है कि हाउ यू नो वी फोर आई एम से टिल नाउ मेरे को अब तक याद है कि फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ second sim, me, you, Harsh and Mohit have been together in almost everything. Be it studies, be it problems, be it enjoying. We have always been together. Next year, probably by around next August, I think so next August तक, 1 year after you give your GRE, तुम लोग सब लोग US में हो गए. I pray to God कि तुम लोग सब लोग same university में हो or you be in the best university and you guys to be together in the same university. And when I know you'll take this video with you in your laptop, and when you all three will be watching, all three or probably all five, sorry, Smita and I'm say Aditi and Kanik also, you five will be watching this video. I just hope you'll remember me and that time shit. तो जैसे इस बदनसीब फ़ोन के आने के पहले मैं बता रहा था, you guys will remember me in the US while watching this video. And all I want is that when you watch this video, you know there is always one person in India who is still and will always be your friend forever. And all I wish is कि ये दोस्ती हमसे नॉर्मली हम क्या देखते हैं 4 साल के लिए या 5 इंजीनियरिंग के बाद वी आर फ्रेंड्स एंड जैसे ही कॉन्टैक्ट टूट जाता है फ्रेंडशिप भी कभी कभी बिखर जाती है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट कि हमारी दोस्ती हमेशा चलती रहे. यू कम बैक टू US probably you get even after we get married, not to each other of course, we get married to our respective wives. हमारी दोस्ती चलती रहे and we probably even we can, all I want is our friendship lasts forever and forever and we have whatever wonderful time we've had together as a group, me, you, Mohit and Harsh and Aditi and Kanika. May this and Smita and probably all, I don't remember names because I'm very confused right now, but everybody who has been a part of this group, may this group always be in touch forever and may we have such lovely times throughout our life. Because all I want is I don't want this to end it here. It shouldn't end with your birthday or it shouldn't end with B or it shouldn't end with GRE or CAT. It should go on forever and that's when it will reach its true. I'm saying it will be that's because we deserve a lot more than this. You deserve a lot more.
Only then the group is made.
Yeah, as Mohit rightly put it, only then the group is made. Because we all deserve more than this. You deserve. This video is something we've made not because it is not I wouldn't even call it a formality or even a gift. It is something which you have deserved. It's something which you have earned and it's something which was due to your worth. And finally we've got a chance to do it. And seriously we've enjoyed our way in making this video and it has been spontaneous. It's like we got this wonderful opportunity to put our hearts in front of you.
Ashu, it was just a small token of love from all of us.
Yeah, it was just a small token of our appreciation for you. And yeah, if you are crying right now, it's okay, you don't need to cry. Finally, I will end this video by saying happy birthday. I think I haven't said it in the start of the video, so I'll just say it now. Many, many happy returns of the day. I think for a person who lives his life to the fullest, I think every day is a happy birthday for
Exactly,
you.
yeah.
Anyways, bye-bye.
क्या बोल रहे थे आंटी? Okay, here is a perfect example of how he keeps his room. आंटी बोलिए. नहीं आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
पीछे का डायलॉग कर देना उसमें एडिटिंग कर देना.
नहीं आप कुछ बोल रहे थे उसके बुक्स के बारे में.
कैसे लगता है वो इधर?
Come on आंटी, प्लीज आंटी दिखाओ.
पढ़ता कम है, चलाता ज़्यादा है बुक.
अच्छा ये फ्लैश कार्ड अडेप्टर बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है मेरे को. फ्लैश कार्ड दिख रहा नहीं है.
मोबाइल का
फ्लैश कार्ड.
ये उसका रफ बुक कैल्सी.
ये रूलर स्केल मेरा है यार. ये मेरा है.
Yes, let's start dressing for it.
Periodic table.
This is a calendar.
तो अनिकेत का है वो जुलाई का उसको बराबर
ज्योमेट्री
ये आशुतोष का हो भी नहीं सकता इतनी
मॉडर्न इंटेलिजेंट गुलाटी पढ़ा लेगा गुलाटी नहीं
Okay, see, this is Aniket and this is Ashutosh. This is Ashutosh.
यहाँ पे बुक्स इसके सब यहाँ पे हमें देख सकते हम
Okay, this is Ashutosh. ये सब वो किताब है जो कभी पढ़ी नहीं जाती.
पढ़ी है
According to secret sources. Java 2, Ashutosh next project. What is that? Cross drawing book. किधर है एंटीना दिए? हम लोग ने किसमें से पढ़ा था? हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, that's BEE, right? BEE.
फिर ये बॉयज स्टेड ऊपर
ये कौन सी बुक है? Applied Math. I think these books are safe enough, so let's just keep them over here.
केराली भी है ना
Good job, Ashutosh.
और एक किनारे के पास आशुतोष का ट्रेजर, 1 रुपये कॉइन, रबर, ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. कभी खुला नहीं है, सेकंड सेम में भी नहीं खुला.
ये रोलर स्केल, दो रोलर स्केल, रिफिल.
खजाना ऑफ पेन which he always tells me कि मेरे पास बहुत बड़ा है. Actually he has it, but he doesn't bring it to college. Okay, I think we have हाँ वो तो दिखाया ना. ये सब पढ़ के का है वो.
इसका मतलब क्या है
Food of God.
ठीक है बोले पता नहीं
Okay, I think that's enough of investigation of his entire study table. Okay, that goes in junior KG. He secured the second rank in annual exam. This is first standard, again second rank in annual exam. This is in 5th standard for securing first in 50 meters running. That is in 4th standard for securing first in annual exam. That is in 5th standard for securing third rank in Hindi essay writing competition. That's again in standard 5th for securing first rank in annual exam. Second is well jata hi. That is third. Yeah, he's in 6th standard. He got third rank for long jump. That is again in 6th standard, securing first rank in running race. That is in 6th standard for securing the second rank in annual exam. Our annual exam first and second आया ही है ना. And that is in some kind of what is this?
Milestones in science.
Quest Milestones in Science project,
1998.
This is some participation in computer awareness conducted by Intel at the Nehru Science Center. That's again in 7th standard for securing third rank in 100 meters running. That is in 8th standard for securing the first rank in 4 into 100 meters relay. 8th standard for securing first rank in 100 meters running. This is a passing certificate for clearing Homi Baba Bal Vaidnayak competition in 2001 and 2002. And this is in standard 10 for securing the second prize in quiz contest. And this is a Lions Club of Kanjurmarg for getting his outstanding performance in SSE for obtaining 87.2%.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? And would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Or would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Or would you lie? Would you run and hide? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna hold you. Oh yeah, I'm in too deep. Have I lost my mind? Well, I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain, oh yeah. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.